Hey, come on in the kitchen with me for a second. Today I'm making Swedish meatballs, the kind that feels like comfort before you even take the first bite. And listen, I make my meatballs a little bit bigger because that's how my family likes them. And there are no rules in our kitchen, okay? I use a small scoop about half the size of my index finger. What I love about this recipe is how simple it is. And baby, the flavor, woo, the milk and the breadcrumbs keep everything soft. The grated, or you can use your food processor, onions just melt right in. And that allspice, that's the warm, cozy note that makes you feel like somebody cares about you. I mix everything gently, real gentle, and no need to rush because food can feel our energy, okay? And that's what we want these meatballs to be. We want them to feel happy. Now, when they hit that pan, listen to that sizzle. Butter and a little bit of oil doing their thing, giving us that golden color. That's the flavor building right there. Take your time with this part. Let it do what it needs to do. Once they're nice and brown, I set them aside and move on to the gravy because let's be honest, the gravy deserves respect. Butter, flour, slow whisking, no stress. Then comes the broth, the cream, smooth, rich, comforting. A little Worcestershire sauce for depth. And just a touch of honey Dijon mustard, not loud, just enough to make you go, that's good. When those meatballs go back into the pan, they soak up all that goodness. They simmer, just relax. They even get more tender. This is the part where the kitchen starts to smell like love. This meal isn't about perfection. It's about warmth and about making food the way your people enjoy it. Bigger meatballs, creamy gravy, full flavor, no apologies. Serve it with mashed potatoes, noodles, or rice, whatever brings you joy today. Because this right here, this is comfort, this is care, and this is made with love. And honey, you can taste it. So, full recipes on the website at savorythoughts.com. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. See you in the next video. Cheers.